Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to create a branded email in Gmail on your PC. So let's get started. Step 1. In the top left corner of your Gmail inbox, click on the Compose button. Step 2. Once the new email window opens, scroll down to the bottom and click on Layouts. Step 3. Now, click on Customize Styling to begin building your unique design. Step 4. Here, you can enter all the necessary details to personalize your layout. You have the freedom to customize various elements such as logos, colors, fonts, images, footer details, and even add links. Step 5. After you've made all the desired changes, click on Save and Continue to proceed. Step 6. Next, select a layout that best suits your branding needs from the available options. Step 7. Finally, click on Insert to add the chosen layout to your email. And there you have it. You've successfully created a branded email in Gmail on your PC. Now you can impress your recipients with a professional and visually appealing email design. Remember, a well-branded email can leave a lasting impression on your clients or customers. So, take your time to create a design that truly represents your brand. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.